Did you know that baking soda has numerous benefits for women? Surprising, isn't it? Baking soda, a common household ingredient, is more than just a rising agent for your favorite baked goods. It's a versatile substance that has many uses you may not be aware of. From beauty and health benefits to household uses, baking soda has a lot to offer. We often overlook it tucked away in our pantry, but this humble white powder is a hidden gem. In this video, we are going to uncover the surprising ways baking soda can be beneficial for women. We'll explore how it can be a cost-effective beauty product, a health booster, and even a cleaning aid. It's time to give this unassuming kitchen staple the attention it deserves. So, are you ready to discover the magic of baking soda? Hold on to your seats as we dive into the world of baking soda and its amazing benefits for women. First off, let's explore the beauty benefits of baking soda. This humble kitchen ingredient, often taken for granted, is a hidden gem in the world of beauty and wellness. So, let's dive right in. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, can work wonders for your skin. Its mild exfoliating properties help remove dead skin cells and clean your pores, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. A simple paste of baking soda and water can serve as a natural and cost-effective face scrub. But remember, it's a good idea to do a patch test first to ensure your skin doesn't react negatively. Moving on to hair care, baking soda can be a great addition to your routine. It helps remove product buildup, leaving your hair clean and voluminous. Try using a mixture of baking soda and water as a clarifying shampoo once every 2 weeks. You'll be amazed by the difference it can make. Now let's talk about dental care. Baking soda is a common ingredient in many toothpastes due to its ability to naturally whiten teeth and fight bad breath. You can create your own homemade toothpaste by combining baking soda with a bit of water and a few drops of peppermint oil for a fresh, minty taste. But that's not all. There are countless DIY beauty recipes involving baking soda. From foot soaks to bath bombs, baking soda can be used in a variety of ways to enhance your beauty regimen. Let's be clear though, baking soda is not a magic cure-all. Every person is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. It's always important to do your research and consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating new substances into your beauty routine. So not only is baking soda a kitchen staple, but it's also a beauty powerhouse. The next time you're in your kitchen, take a second look at that box of baking soda. It might just become your new favorite beauty tool. Beyond beauty, baking soda also boasts numerous health benefits. Let's dive right in. First on our list is digestion. Yes, you heard that right. Baking soda can aid digestion. It's a quick and inexpensive remedy for occasional indigestion and heartburn. Acting as an antacid, baking soda neutralizes stomach acid, providing almost instant relief. However, it's crucial not to overdo it. A half teaspoon in a glass of water every 2 hours is generally considered safe. Now let's move on to heartburn, a burning sensation in the chest that many of us have unfortunately experienced. It's caused by acid reflux, a condition where stomach acid escapes into the esophagus. Once again, baking soda comes to the rescue. Its alkalinity can neutralize the acid, easing the discomfort. Remember though, it's a temporary remedy, and persistent heartburn may signify a more serious condition. Next up, kidney health. Our kidneys play a vital role in maintaining our body's acid-base balance. If the balance tilts towards acidity, it can create a stressful environment for the kidneys. Research suggests that baking soda can help in such situations. It can slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing acid levels in the blood. Finally, let's talk about how to incorporate baking soda into your diet. It's not as difficult as it sounds. You can add it to certain recipes, like baked goods, to enhance their texture and flavor. Or, you can dissolve it in water and drink it on an empty stomach to reap its health benefits. But remember, moderation is key. Too much baking soda can lead to imbalances in your body. So, there you have it. Baking soda. A simple, ordinary ingredient that packs an extraordinary health punch. From aiding digestion to boosting kidney health, it's indeed a versatile addition to your pantry. Isn't it astounding how this simple ingredient can contribute so much to our health? Now, let's switch gears and look at how baking soda can be a lifesaver around the house. Ever found yourself in a jam with a stubborn stain or a lingering odor? Baking soda might just be your knight in shining armor. This humble kitchen staple, also known as sodium bicarbonate, has a myriad of uses around the home. Apart from its culinary applications, it's a natural deodorizer, cleaner, and even a pest deterrent. First off, let's talk about cleaning. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive, making it perfect for tackling grime and stains without scratching surfaces. Whether it's a dirty kitchen counter, a stained coffee mug, or a grimy bathtub, a little baking soda goes a long way. Just make a paste with equal parts baking soda and water, apply it to the surface, let it sit for a few minutes and scrub away. Now on to deodorizing. Baking soda is fantastic at absorbing odors. Have a smelly fridge? Place an open box of baking soda inside to neutralize those unpleasant smells. Or if your carpet is a bit whiffy, sprinkle some baking soda, leave it overnight, and vacuum it up the next day. You'll be amazed at the freshness. And let's not forget about pest control. Yes, you heard that right. Baking soda can help deter certain pests. For example, if you're dealing with a roach problem, mix equal parts baking soda and sugar and spread it around affected areas. The sugar attracts the roaches, and the baking soda takes care of the rest. But the magic of baking soda doesn't stop there. It can clean silverware, unclog drains, freshen up laundry, and so much more. It's truly a versatile, eco-friendly, and budget-friendly solution for many of your household woes. So next time you're at the store, don't forget to grab that box of baking soda. It's not just for baking anymore. With baking soda at your disposal, maintaining a clean and fresh household becomes much easier. Before you rush off to buy a truckload of baking soda, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First off, let's talk about moderation. As with many things in life, too much of a good thing can be bad. This is also true with baking soda. While it offers a multitude of benefits, excessive use could lead to complications. For instance, too much baking soda can disrupt your body's pH balance and potentially harm your kidneys, so use it sparingly and wisely. Now let's discuss sensitivity. Everyone's body is different, and some people might be more sensitive to baking soda than others. If you're using it for the first time, especially on your skin or in your diet, do a patch test or start with a small amount. If you notice any adverse reactions like itchiness, redness, or discomfort, stop use immediately. Also, bear in mind that baking soda is not a cure-all. It's a wonderful supplement to your beauty, health, and household routines, but it's not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. If you're considering using baking soda for health-related purposes, it's best to consult your healthcare provider first. Additionally, remember that baking soda is a salt. Consuming large amounts can lead to increased thirst and swelling. If you have high blood pressure or kidney disease, avoid ingesting baking soda unless advised by a healthcare professional. Lastly, be cautious when combining baking soda with other substances. It can react with acids and create gas, so avoid mixing it with vinegar or citrus juice in a closed container. This could lead to the container bursting. To sum it up, while baking soda is a versatile and beneficial substance, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Be aware of your body's responses, use it in moderation, consult with healthcare professionals when necessary, and be mindful of the reactions it can have with other substances. Remember, knowledge is power. Use baking soda wisely and reap its full benefits. So, there you have it. Baking soda, a humble kitchen ingredient with a plethora of benefits. Let's take a quick stroll back through what we've learned today. We've discovered the beauty benefits of baking soda, how it can be used as a natural exfoliator, teeth whitener, and even an acne fighter. We've explored the health benefits, from soothing heartburn to boosting kidney function. And let's not forget the household uses of this versatile ingredient. Baking soda can be a potent cleaner, deodorizer, and even a fire extinguisher. We've also discussed the safety precautions to keep in mind while using baking soda. It's a wonderful tool, but like all tools, it should be used wisely. Next time you see that box of baking soda in your pantry, remember it's not just for baking. It's a beauty enhancer, a health booster, and a household helper all rolled into one. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Take care.